Hi, I'm Simone Vega, teaching you simple recipes for real life. Remember, the most important ingredient is love. Hi, I'm Simone Vega from Cooking with His Grace, and today we have a very simple and delicious recipe. It's a German banana cake. Everybody has bananas in a house, and when it's like that, and you have hope that your kids just grab a banana like that and nobody eat it, so this is perfect for this cake. This cake, you don't need to use a blender or a mixer. It's just very easy. With your hands, it's ready to run. This is very good because first of all, it's homemade, and everything is homemade is better. And another thing is that your kids, they're gonna love it. Your husband, you can grab a piece of banana cake, which is fresh and delicious, and take to your office. The kids take to the grandparents' house, take to the park, whatever. It's super good. Let's go through the ingredients. Here we have 2 eggs. We're gonna need 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of regular flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, and then later on we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of sugar mixed with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 4 bananas. So let's go through all ingredients. Here is milk, my 2 eggs. When you were doing recipes, well, by the way, cakes, when the recipe brings egg, use the large egg, because the large egg has 1 ounce of liquids inside. Have egg yolks, have egg whites. Don't use the jumbo, extra large, or medium, because you're gonna have different amount of liquid and it's not gonna work very well. Okay, the 1 tablespoon of oil, regular oil, vegetable oil, not olive oil, vegetable oil. Here I have my sugar, flour. If you prefer whole wheat flour, be my guest, you can use it. It's more healthy. So here I'm gonna just mix all the ingredients together. Just break the yolk with the spoon. Okay, that's it. How simple is that, huh? So here I have 1 square mold, like that, glass mold, 20 by 20, very important, okay? Glass like that, and square. Doesn't be, you don't need really glass, you can have any mold, but must be 20 by 20, very important. Here is just, see how liquid is the dough? If you don't want to use banana, you can use apples. But if you're going to use apples, you need like 6 apples. Or you can use pears as well. But I like with banana. I already tried with apples and pears, but I prefer bananas. You also can use peaches or strawberries or blueberries, any fruit. This dough is very flexible. So here I'm gonna set aside my dough right here. And what you're gonna do, I'm gonna cut my bananas. Let me put the eggs here. Let me clean everything so we can have bananas. This is a very affordable recipe. So you can say, well, buy ready to go, I don't need to do it. The thing is, when you prepare something with your hands, you are pouring a lot of love. And what you say to your children, to your husband, your family around you, your neighbor, is that you care for them. When you have somebody going through a hardship, a friend or a coworker, and you just show up with something that you made with your hands, this is mean a lot. This is what I call love in action. Sometimes actions, they speak louder than words. So here I'm gonna do cut in slices. So here what I want to do is just cut like that. You don't need perfect because we're gonna bake that. So we don't need a perfect banana. So we're gonna just keep doing that. Just be careful with your hands. And this banana is gonna sunk and it's gonna be delicious. Very good. Now we're finishing here. Let me just, okay. And what I'm gonna do is mix my sugar with cinnamon. Just mix very well. And I'm gonna just put on top. So it's gonna be crunchy on top with because of the cinnamon and the sugar. This is the German part. I learned this recipe with a lady from Germany who showed me how to do it, and my kids were small, very little. My son was 2 years old by the time. Now he's 21, so don't do the math. I'm not that old. So here we have our delicious banana cake. I'm gonna put in the oven for more or less 35-40 minutes, 345 degrees. Okay, and we're gonna cut and serve with whipping cream. Well, here is our cake. It's ready to go. Our banana cake, it's so beautiful. Look at that. How gorgeous is that, huh? Not just gorgeous, but it's delicious. This is so delicious. Let me try that. Wow, how gorgeous. Amazing, delicious. Let me try it, but this is so hot. I don't want to burn my mouth, but I need to try it. I must try it. Let me have a piece. I love hot cakes. Amazing. Let me turn this cake, the place that I cut, so you can see. Look how gorgeous. The layers of dough and banana, and the banana caramelized with the mixture of sugar and cinnamon, and the aroma and the taste are amazing and delicious. So please try home. Go to your kitchen and prepare this amazing recipe for your family and your kids. Please click subscribe so you can be updated with all our videos, and see you in the next episode. Thank you very much to watching us, and keep watching us because you're gonna have a lot of easy, affordable, delicious recipes. Ciao, ciao.